What's happening, guys? It's Jeremy and I'm back with another cooking video. The family's out of town right now, so I don't have my assistant, so I got to kind of do this all myself, but we'll see how it goes. So tonight, what we're going to be making, so I picked up some of these rice noodles at Aldi the other day. I've already boiled them. They're cooked. They're ready to go. They're going to go on here in a little bit. I made up an Asian sauce with soy sauce, ketchup, and some ground ginger. I'm going to add that to it. I think they're going to be delicious. And then the star of the show are going to be these right here. These giant sea scallops. They're going to be good. We're going to try searing them up. So what I've got right now is I've got the left side of the Blackstone on high. It's piping hot. You can see the smoke rolling off of it. The other side I've got on low, which is where I'm going to do the noodles. And actually, now that it's hot, I'm actually going to turn it off because these noodles are already cooked. I don't need to worry about cooking them any. It's just getting them in the sauce and mixing them around. So to start, we're going to grab a little bit of canola oil, throw it here on the right side for these noodles. Just a little bit. Grab our spatula. Oh, and it's raining too, so we might get a little wet doing this. But hey, good food cannot wait on rain. So we're going to just take this now, throw these rice noodles right on the grill. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. We're going to season them up with just a little bit of salt and pepper. We're not going real fancy tonight. Keeping this really simple. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. We're just going to take our spatula now and basically just heat these up some. Yeah, I think it was a good idea turning this off because it's still piping hot. All right. Grab the second spatula. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I made up, like I said, this little bit of mixture. It's soy sauce, ground ginger, and ketchup. It's a recipe I saw. We're going to see how it is on these noodles. So it shouldn't take long. I'm just going to literally put it on here. I have these off. I'm going to stir them around and we'll be done. Just going to pour that right on them. Should have brought a spatula. Would have made life much easier, wouldn't it? So we got just a little bit of that mixture. And mix it around. Spread these out a little bit. I want to get a little crispy, add a little texture to it. All right, so those noodles, they've been on here like maybe a minute or two. They should be about done. And so just to give them one final yumminess. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, you should smell that ginger. It smells delicious. What we're going to do, spread this back out again. Just to give it a little more flavor, we're going to just touch it with just a little bit of toasted sesame oil. A little bit of this goes a long way. So just a little bit. Let's mix things around a little more. Oh, these smell wonderful. Alright, so those are basically done. So we're going to just push these to the side here, clean off our spatulas, and then get ready to move on to time to move on to the main event, as they would say. So the way that I cook these is I take the Gordon Ramsay approach, which is get a piping hot pan and put a little bit of olive oil, which I've got some of that right here, in your pan, get it piping hot, and then sit down your scallops in a clockwise motion. As soon as you lay the last one down, start at the first one, then flipping them over, and by the time you get to the end of flipping them, they should be completed. So we've got the scallops already prepared. I dried them as best that I could, put some salt and pepper on them inside. So we're gonna be able to do this. This is gonna go really quick. So we're gonna just take a little bit of this olive oil here, put it right down here. Man, this side is really piping hot. That oil is just running away. So when I do these in that piping hot inside, I have an electric stove, and normally I can't get it hot enough. So I'm hoping tonight we're going to get excellent sear. Let's see how this goes. So we're going to take this first one. Here we go. Those down, let them go for about 10 seconds, and here goes the process to flip. We're going to start with the first one we laid down. Oh, does that look good? We're literally going to give these like another 30 seconds or so, and they should be completed. That's how quick and easy scallops should be. If you overcook them, they turn into rubber. So while that's finishing, let's go ahead and take off our noodles for the night. Let's check these and see how they look. Oh yeah. Oh, one last thing we need. Let me go grab it. I almost forgot one of the most important steps. Hit them with a splash of lemon juice right at the end. So here we go. Look at that gorgeous sear. And that's it. We're gonna go inside and eat these now. I bet you they're gonna be amazing. We'll test it out in a second. So I thought about going inside and making up a plate to eat it, but it just looks too good. So instead, I grabbed me a fork and we're gonna try it right now. So let's start with a piece of scallop. Look at that beautiful sear. Wow, that was pretty amazing. And let's try some of the noodles here as well. Gotta say, excellent meal, guys. Now, obviously, you could add some veggies into this too, make it more of a stir fry if you wanted to on the noodles. I was just going real simple and easy tonight with it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. I know one thing, from now on moving forward, I'll be cooking my scallops out here on this instead of in a pan. And I gotta say, it is amazing. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one. And oh, make sure you hit that subscribe button and put the bell on so you can catch the next video. Catch you later. Bye-bye.